think it's tilapia. Yeah, they're on the trail. I went in here somewhere. When we were here last time, this was all dry. We did see a drag mark that we thought it was from an alligator, but this time it's already this deep, so I'm gonna already put this pouch with my cell phone higher because I know it's gonna be deep. But hopefully this time we will find a ghost orchid bloom. So here we go.
Hello everybody, back in the swamp. So this is part 2 of chasing the ghost, but this time no duckweed, and hopefully we will find one that's hanging there, make a picture and bring you guys along with it. So see you in a bit. Oh.
We're trying to find a way around this.
I tried just that way, but I could not do it because the backpack is going otherwise in the water and I cannot afford that, too much camera stuff in it.
So we are trying to find a way.
Not easy.
But now I stumbled upon this, and that's again the duckweed. Hey, we got our first orchid bloom. It may not be a ghost orchid, but it is a very pretty yellow helmet orchid. Really nice. Okay, got stuck again here.
At this time, it is difficult, that's for sure. We'll see.
I need to tie my shoelaces because I feel unstable and it's too dangerous with all the loose limbs. So as we promised, we came back to the same plant to follow up on that plant there with the seed pot. The spike did grow about an inch, I would say. And the seed pot has some interesting discoloring, like it's turned brown and it looked like it dropped some seeds. I'm just freaking out. Do you see the freaking spider on?
I cannot see it.
Just take your head off. Take your head off. See.
Oh, look at that. It comes to you?
No way. Stay there. Oh my gosh, you're killing him in the water. Let me save you, buddy. I didn't mean to kill you. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. Our head. Go be free. That one has a little butt. I don't know, maybe in a month or so, I would say.
Here. I have some exciting news.
You found one?
I see a ghost orchid. It's a little bit higher, but I found one.
Our first one.
The first one this year.
I'm coming.
Yep. It's a little bit too high to make a nice picture from it, but I will put 100 by 400 on it, and I will show it you guys, that you guys have an idea. But maybe we're gonna find more.
Where is it?
Right there. Let me... Right over there.
Ooh, yeah. Yep. There it is. Put the big lens so you guys can see it too. I don't know if you see it, but that's an old bloom. So we kind of missed that one. This is a really big plant. So I just want to show you this because this one we had a picture of a couple years ago that I really want to show you because it's the duo ghost. And then another year it was a crooked ghost because it had, oh no, it was in the same season. It had produced another flower and it was a crooked one. So I put my backpack on the tree there because I want to go in the deeper end without the gear, just a GoPro, to check upon that plant with the 3 spikes. But that's a whole deep area, so wish me luck.
What?
It's too deep. Really?
Eh?
It's way too deep. I'm tiptoeing, but it's still in my belly and I see gator poop there. And it's mushy. I had to abort the mission. It was too deep. So maybe later in the season it dries up again. We just had a storm with the record high rains. So you see, I'm belly, it's like belly deep. And that's a little bit too deep for my comfort. It's really not worth falling or getting caught by a alligator. We spotted an owl up in the tree there. He's watching right to you. Cuckoo. Okay, we are heading out. We finished our swamp adventure. We're gonna say goodbye for now. We have to come back because we didn't find the perfect shaped ghost orchid. We did find one bloom, so we're not too disappointed, and we just filmed a really nice owl, a barred owl. So see you later, alligators.
See you later, alligators.
Come on.
Yeah, you saw it. I thought I heard something, but I don't see anything.
We found the tree with the, I counted 12 ghost orchid blooms. How crazy is this?
Ghosty, ghosty, spooky, spooky, spooky. Here I am. Woo, 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 woo.